Hi, I'm Tom Uhas with another tip on File Notes Organizer 3.6 usage on a Windows 7 64-bit machine. This same tip goes for Windows Vista, for both Windows Vista and for Windows 7. Auto detection, that is the background auto detection of any save or any open file which pops up a note screen, will not work. So what do? If you really need that pop-up screen because you become dependent on it, what can you do? Well, here's a workaround. Under File Notes Organizers, let's assume that we have a good installation of File Notes Organizer. Uh, we've installed it, we've checked it. Now we want to try to get that pop-up screen for files like JPGs. I'm going to open up good old Windows Explorer, go to my C and my Max and my Wilhelm file. Under Wilhelm I have a PDF and I have an OCR, a TIFF, a couple of PDFs, 3 PDFs, and a TXT. If I right click on this PDF and instead of saying open, if I say open, it's going to open it with the default program. I want to say open with and slide over to File Notes Organizer. If you don't see this File Notes Organizer, it's okay. Just go to choose default program and unclick always use, and then go looking for browse and find File Notes Organizer. And after you've done that, you'll then see it just as I'm seeing it here. So I'm right clicking again on PDF, sliding down to open with. I'm going to pick File Notes Organizer, and lo and behold, there is my add edit note, and it's for that particular file. It's already selected that file. I make the note changes, start date, finish date, whatever, and say OK, and it will record them just like auto detection would record notes with using the same pop-up window. If when you double click on the file you find that it doesn't open up the file but it just gives you the add note screen, what's happened is when you went to open with, you used the choose default and you didn't uncheck this check mark which says always use. What you need to do is always use and then pick the proper application to open the file with, and then you're home free. Hope that's helpful. Tom Uhas for File Notes Organizer.